have finished my online Zoom meeting. Looks familiar? Hi, my name is Roger, and I'm helping people and businesses to work from anywhere. I'm the world is your office advocate. Now, with the circuit breaker in Singapore till May, I believe at least the home is your office. During this period and beyond, I hope to create a series of content, and what I'm going to do is to show you very simple ways that I use tech to help you collaborate and communicate with your clients and your colleagues. It can be a product or a software review, some tips and tricks to use them, or it could be simply a review of all the tech gears that I use to make this tele work possible, right? So the whole purpose of what I'm doing now is I understand that not many people can full-time work from home. They feel very stressed, and I hope really to bring some light and joy, and at least some pain away from you working from home full-time. So if you have any friends who have difficulty working from home, please share my video with them. Please like and subscribe my channel, because I need your help. I need your motivation so that I can carry on and create more content for you. Tomorrow, I will show you my tech gear that I use for my online meeting, okay, and why I use them. So if you want to know more, please stay tuned, and I'll see you tomorrow. But for now, stay safe. If you go out, put a mask. If there's nothing, do not leave your home, and I'll see you tomorrow.